Okay, dear students, I am going to explain the next question. That is question number 5th, and all other three questions, question number 2nd, 3rd, 4th, are of the same type. X is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta, at theta is equal to pi by 4. We want to find out the slope of the normal. Okay, so set solution. So first of all, we have to find out the slope of the tangent, and after that slope of the normal, because slope is perpendicular to the tangent, so slope of normal will be equal to minus 1 by slope of the tangent. And how can we find out the slope of the normal? That slope of the tangent, that is dy by dx at that particular point, means at that point theta is equal to pi by 4. So and you can easily recognize that this curve is going in primitive forms, parametric cos. Okay, sorry, that's a parametric cos with parameter theta. So find out dy by dx. First, for finding out dy by dx, we have to find out dx by d theta and dy by d theta. Means we have to differentiate these two x and y, which is given in parametric with parametric theta. Means they are not they are the function of theta. Okay, so dx by d theta will be equal to, clearly this is 3a cos square theta, and differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. Okay, and dy by d theta, that is equal to 3a sin square theta, where differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Okay, so it will be 3a sin square theta cos theta upon minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. Okay, so you can see this 3 and 3a will be cancelled, one sin will be cancelled, one cos will be cancelled. What we have, sin by cos, means dy by dx is minus minus sin by cos tan theta, minus tan theta. Okay, so what will be the slope of tangent at theta is equal to pi by 4, that is the minus tan pi by 4, that is minus 1. That is the slope of tangent. Slope of tangent, that is slope of tangent, that is slope of tangent at given point x is, theta is equal to pi by 4. Now we want to find out slope of normal. Slope of clearly slope of normal. Slope of normal at theta is equal to pi by 4 will be given by minus 1 upon slope of tangent, means dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 4, means that is equal to minus 1 upon, and that is minus 1 means it will be equal to 1, that will be equal to 1. So slope of normal is 1 and slope of tangent is minus 1. Got it? Now I am going to find out, it is not asked in the question, I am going to find out the equation of tangent and equation of normal on this curve, which is in parametric form, at theta is equal to pi by 4. Dear students, we have here slope, so we have to find out that point from where it passes. That is also given, but not in your way. You should have x1 y1, that particular point whose coordinate is x1 y1, from where the tangent and normals are passes, but in this case it is not given. It is given that x is this, y is this, and theta at theta is equal to pi by 4. So very simple, put theta is equal to pi by 4 here, you will get that particular point. So for finding out For finding out the equation, we have to find out that particular point first. See, I am going to find out this now. Now put theta is equal to pi by 4 in equation first. What we have, x is equal to a cos q pi by 4, y is equal to a sin q pi by 4. Okay, we know that is a cos pi by 4, that is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 whole cube. Okay, and y is equal to, this is a sin pi by 4, again 1 by root 2 whole cube. So what we have, root 2 actually, that will be a upon 2 root 2, and this is y is equal to a upon again 2 root 2. So now we want to find out the equation of tangent and equation of normal at this point. Clearly we have to find out equation of tangent and equation of normal at this point, and whose slope is slope of the tangent is -1 and slope of the normal is 1. अभी हमने find out किया at this particular point. Okay, so simply now equation of tangent at theta is equal to pi by 4 means equation of tangent on given curve at p a by 2 root 2 a by 2 root 2 having slope -1. That is the slope. यही स्लोप था ना जब हमने फाइंड आउट किया था, आप देख सकते हो फिर से इस वीडियो को. सो वी हैव दैट इज y minus y1 means a upon 2 root 2 is equal to its slope -1, x minus a upon 2 root 2. That is the equation. You can solve it. Multiply 2 root 2 in all. What we have? We have we have 2 root 2 y minus a is equal to minus 2 root 2 x plus a. Okay, so transfer all these two here in this side. So what we have, 2 root 2, that is x plus y is equal to 2a, 2 and 2 will be cancelled, so it will be root 2 x plus y is equal to a. That is the equation of tangent. Now if someone asked you that find out its equation of normal, then equation of normal, now equation of normal at theta is equal to pi by 4 means to find equation of normal at p a by 2 root 2 having slope अभी हमने नॉर्मल का स्लोप निकाला था, स्लोप 1 will be given by, it is given by, you can easily find out this, that will be given by y minus y1, that is y minus y1 means a upon 2 root 2 is equal to m slope x minus a by 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 से multiply कर लो आप. So what we have, 2 root 2 y minus a is equal to 2 root 2 x minus a. So transfer this to this side. What we have, clearly you can see this minus a and minus a will be cancelled, these two will be cancelled. Okay, so now we have transfer all these two to that side. We have 2 root 2 x minus y equals to 0 means x minus y is equal to 0 means equation of normal will be x is equal to y. Equation of normal is clearly equation of normal is x is equal to y. That is the equation of normal at that point. Okay, got it?